AI is taking over the world, but in a good way though. And right now, people are using it to make lots of money, thousands or even millions of dollars. But hold up, what exactly is AI and how can you use it to make money, even if you're not a programmer? Well, grab a snack because it's about to get interesting. Like this video if you've ever used an AI before. Hi Onyx Tribe, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something interesting, something that has to do with your finance, something that has to do with money. Alright, so AI, artificial intelligence, sounds all futuristic and complicated, right? But it's actually super simple. Think about it this way, like a really smart assistant that can learn, think, and even create stuffs for you, just like humans. Except AI doesn't need sleep or a paycheck. You're already using AI every day, even if you don't really realize it. When you search something on Google, AI is helping find the best results. When Netflix suggests a show that you love, yeah, that's AI too. And let's not forget ChatGPT, which can literally write and code and even joke around with you sometimes. Crazy, right? Ever notice how YouTube recommends the perfect video for you? Yeah, that's AI at work. So now we know that AI is basically our digital sidekick. The real question is, how can you make money with it? Let's break it down. Drop a thumbs up emoji if that explanation makes sense to you. 3 ways you can make money with AI in 2025. Alright, let's talk money. I know you'll be very interested. AI isn't just cool, it's a gold mine. People are using it to build businesses, work smarter, and even create content without lifting a finger. Here's how you can get it on the action. Imagine having a little AI robot that works for you 24/7, but instead of paying it, you got paid instead. That's exactly what an AI SaaS business is. SaaS means software as a service. Fancy way of saying people pay you monthly to use a tool. But don't worry, you don't need to be a programmer to do this. There are no code platforms like Bobo.io or Zapier that help you build stuffs or software without touching a single line of code. Crazy, right? Picture this. A business needs social media captions. Instead of hiring a writer, they use your AI tool that auto-generates captions. Boom, you just made money without doing the work yourself. Simple, scalable, and smart. AI freelancing and consulting. Okay, maybe you don't want to build software. No problem. I got you. You can still make money by using AI tools to offer services. Think about it. Companies need blog posts, social media content, video editing, even AI chatbots. And guess what? AI can do 80% of work for you. Let's say you offer AI-powered writing services. A client needs to blog posts. Instead of spending hours writing, you use ChatGPT to draft them in minutes, tweak them a little, and deliver. You just got paid without the stress of writing from scratch. Same thing with video editing. Tools like Pictory and Runway ML let you create videos with AI. Alright, now for my favorites, AI-powered content creation. This one is fun because you can literally make money by letting AI create videos, blogs, or even digital art for you. Ever seen those faceless YouTube channels that post motivational videos or explainers? A little of them are made using AI. You can generate scripts with ChatGPT, use AI voiceovers with 11 labs, and even create video clips using Pictory or Synthesia. And if videos aren't your thing, AI can also create arts. Midjourney and Jali can generate stunning artwork, which you can sell as posters, NFTs, or mesh. So many possibilities. My last word before I leave. AI isn't the future, it's happening right now, and the people who start using it today will be the ones to make serious money in 2025. You don't need to be a coder, a genius, or have tons of experience. You just need to start. Which AI method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if this video gave you the ideas, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Ciao, ciao, guys.